promised myself the first job back would be to make these curtains. So I'm starting with the plain one, but because it doesn't crease very well, I'm going to pin and tack it first. I've done most of it already, and then I've got to find the lining for it. Not sure what colour lining, white, cream, gold, but there will be some kind of lining. But also on our travels over Christmas, I found the trimmer for it, which, look, is the identical colour. Ta-da! My tassels. So you can imagine it will go there like that on the edge. Let me show you this side, it'll be easier. I got my new scissors. I treated myself. I'm sat in front of the fire with a candle my sister bought me that smells like champagne for my birthday. So that will go like this. It's not too much of a fussy one, so it'll be like that.
Can't believe the colour. Absolutely perfect.
Perfect.
It is. Oh, Godsmack. You're doing well on that at the moment.
I did think maybe when I stitch this on the outside afterwards, I might use a gold thread and go through the middle section here so it gives a little gold.
So let me come in on that so everyone can see.
Give an extra dimension if I sew through this ring here. I'm going to play with it and see.
Okie dokie.
Trial and error. But that's on order. Who knows how long it will take to come. I didn't want a great big massive fringe, just something more simple.
We like simple, fits with us.
But while I'm doing this, things are happening in the salon, and I'll show you that later. Not the best of mornings.
Because?
It's my own fault. I didn't realise when I bought the fabric, until I laid it all out ready to sew on, that English, French and American fabrics are all different widths.
Well, you weren't going to know that, were you? I can't imagine that's
obvious. Doing the
obvious.
side seams of the American one, ready to put the lining on, that's when I realised it wasn't quite wide enough. So I'm going to have to rehem it all.
So when you say typical, I'm guessing you mean that it's too small, the next bit.
It's too small, so I'm going to have to make the patterned fabric slightly narrower for the lining. This is the lining that I bought in England. They don't go to any effort rolling it up nicely. It's all got to be ironed.
Looks like our bed sheet.
It does.
Oh my word.
But I've struggled because there's 16 metres of it. Maybe in hindsight I should have gotten to cut 4 metres at a time.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, it's done now. Next step, iron it using EcoFlow because I've got no English plug-in here.
Yes, English, American and French, all different again, aren't they? Why can't they make them standard everything? My life would be easier as well.
And I was so looking forward to making curtains.
Do you know what? I was looking forward to doing our Salon parquet flooring.
did.
My word.
Over Christmas, Adrian said to me, I can't wait to get back into the salon and start the floor. I knew it would only be a day or two.
Didn't even last a day, I've moved out. I've just gone and booked another holiday. That's the easier option.
So we've got 4 metres of each now, and I can start playing with the hems and the seams.
Right. In that case, I'll leave you with it. Right, so as you can see, the original parquet, as I've said in other videos, I've made them all exactly the same width, or near as damn it, exactly the same width as originally. They were all over the place, so they never sat flat on the OSB board. Running through the thickness there, then I can turn them over and just give them a skim on the face, which gives this result as a comparison. Putting them through 2 at a time, which is nice, so I get a really clean stuff. I put these 2 through together, absolutely, you know, billiard board, perfect. Occasionally then, the next 2, where they join, there might be a slight lip. I mean, it's a hairline lip. So what I'm doing is laying them out on the floor here, and then I'll run the sander just over them, just to take off any bits. Better to do it in here than Carole's golden salon. So the other thing that I haven't finished this one because I'm missing those pieces, so at least I've got a good chunk and I'll worry about those later. I can also inspect them. So what I'm also finding is just taking off a little bit off the top is occasionally showing up some of the wood damage. Now, ones like these, I'm not fussed. I'll fill them with sawdust and a PVA or a wood filler. The ones that do concern me, I'll have a good look at, as say, there we go, there's one example. And it isn't actually that obvious when you're looking, say, on the tops of these woods, the original, and then you take a skim off and actually it's a bit more obvious. And in fact, I've just seen another one there. Again, as long as, if it's solid and it's not soft, and it's, you know, you can know straight away just by pushing against it, it will just literally fall away as if it was sawdust. I think might be able to fill some of these, and then Tommy's put an Osmo over the top of this. It won't be, well, it'll be minimal, you just won't really know about it. But there is a few that are really bad, so those I'll have to remake. Anyhow, I'll take these into now the salon, start and put them together and work another column down, and we'll go from there. So where are we at the moment? Alanson.
We're in Alanson.
The pecan. And Carol's decided.
I really like this carpet, this rug.
It was like pillow and cushions me the other day. For where?
Well, I don't know where.
Okay, so you're
But you have to buy these things.
You're
when you see
stockpiling.
them. But
There's another rug
we've also come across this one.
hidden behind this carpet. Rug. Hey! Never go shopping with these two. Disaster.
I like the gold. Terry likes the oomph of the black.
This is for
the salon.
Yes.
Which obviously we've just come across it. I know there's a rug for your salon, but I think to get more oomph, yeah.
This
Colour,
is
vibrancy.
Yeah, but isn't this more the colour anyhow of the salon? This is what we're saying, isn't it?
It is the perfect match.
It is.
the curtains.
It's not quite as big as the other rug we had, but
I think it is. It's lovely.
We need to find out
how much?
how much it is first.
Yeah.
It's the missing piece.
On the floor.
Yeah. That's the jigsaw piece, you're right. Need about another 80 of those. Okay, I'm going to go and find how much. I'll come back to
Can
you.
you also?
So go on then, what's the decision?
Well, we've got the price and we've got the curtain fabric here, which is the perfect colour again, and the trim. But we've also come across this fabric here. Terry found this last time, but he didn't buy it.
Good job, because
He
we're
missed
going
out.
to beat you to it now.
I'm still umming and ahhing about the rug.
Are you?
But Terry says, and I trust Terry because he's done such a marvellous job of his own rooms, he thinks it's the right way to go.
You got it on camera now. It's all your fault if it goes wrong.
So we're definitely buying this.
The material, yeah.
For the sake of it, like I said, we'll be able to cover some chairs and that anyway. For what that is.
We've got this on film.
Yeah.
Terry has offered to cover some chairs.
Only little deck chairs.
Yeah, right.
Do that.
Little doll's house.
We're going to get the rug.
Oh, are we now? We've had a decision.
We're
Yay!
going to get the rug, and if I don't like it, Terry's buying it off me at double the price.
Well, let's sell it to him now then.
I will. I actually will.
He
If
thinks,
you don't like it,
he
I
thinks
will
in the
genuinely buy
grand
it.
scheme of things, it's going to pull it all together. I trust him.
We'll have a deal now, so it's on camera. So if you don't like it in the salon, and you don't like the fabric, I will genuinely buy them off you. Because I love it.
Done.
I think it's lovely. And I'll use them somewhere in our Château.
Can you deliver it as well? Because
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Actually, Terry thought it was worth €300 a rug.
I said,
No, that's what we'll sell it to him for.
I thought when we were asking for a price, I thought between 300 and 350, didn't I?
And what did you get it for in the end?
he won't take less than 190.
Okay,
And the fabric's only 15.
right.
Personally,
Yeah.
I think
I
it's
love
okay.
this fabric.
Yeah.
That was a good spot. Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm freezing my off, so should we go and do it and get out of it?
Yeah.
Good find.
Sorted.
Just when I thought it was safe and we were going home. Now what are you looking for?
I just said we need a lantern outside the front door.
There's so much in
Also
it.
looking for a finial for the top of the candelabra, the floor standing lamp.
The fact that you're sitting down makes me think you're humming over something.
We're on and ahhing again.
Isn't that what I always do,
So,
We're at a different brocante now, aren't we? Yeah.
we've
Where are we now?
travelled miles this afternoon.
We've gone from one side of France to the other, I think.
So, yeah.
Yes.
But on one good note, you got the rug.
We got the rug. Yes.
Don't I know it? I had to drive with that in the middle of the car.
And hopefully I've convinced Carole to put more gold leaf on. So more and more.
There's a pattern
I
here
think I
that...
should show you how to do it so you can have a practice.
I would, but I've got a Château to renovate.
So when I go shopping with Carole, we buy minimal stuff. Whenever she comes shopping with you, oh my God, my credit card gets bashed. So we've got one chair you're looking at here.
I really like this chair, but there's only one.
Yeah. So,
How many chairs do you need to sit on?
And it's quite a good price as well.
yeah, it's a really good price. We're just trying to say to have it either in a corner or at a side with a little occasional table. I think it'd be lovely.
In which room?
Yeah, salon? Grand salon?
Terry's already dressed our
I was
salon.
going to say, it's just me.
Anything else we need?
You're just coming out and spending all your money.
Will you buy this chair off us if we don't like it?
Yeah. It'll be the Château next.
Done.
An idea. Double the price.
That looked a long way down, like it looked like it was very
I'm just
low.
old. Yeah.
Oh, is that
You better just put your legs out.
in front of the fire?
It's the carving's really nice.
Yeah.
and the
Yeah,
detail
let's show
on it.
some details on this. So,
It's there's a mark there, which is a shame.
Oops.
But once we've put a cushion there,
Yeah, it's in really good condition.
the back's all intact. We haven't checked its bottom. That's
Yeah.
good.
It's good.
It's got a bit of woodworm at the back.
yeah, but so's our chateau, so don't worry.
I think we should take that away.
I think so.
So that's going on the roof of the car.
Yeah. I
Okay.
think that's a sold. Done deal.
Good job they're closing.
Yeah, and
Good.
also,
There's more.
yeah, hold on, come this way.
Okay.
We both spotted this, as in Terry and I. Maybe I should marry Terry instead.
Done.
Well, we walked around with 3 things that you spotted, and I had to spot them to see if you actually agreed.
And was it 3 out of 3?
Yep,
Yeah,
all 3.
yeah.
Okay, so this one is,
This corner unit, I don't know where to put it, so I'm not going to buy it right this second.
and the moulding's damaged at the top, but
Terry had already seen it.
Yeah.
okay.
And the same with the chair.
Did you see that already?
The gold chair.
Okay.
No, I didn't see it last time, but we both agreed on it.
These two are arguing like married couple now, aren't
And
they?
there's a couple of, one other thing. Really like these lampshades.
Just not the bases.
Don't like the bases.
Yeah, I'm glad you
And
said
for
that.
actually, it's nearly €300, so we're not buying those. We just like them.
Yeah. We'll look at them.
There's quite a lot of stuff in here, isn't she?
Carol spotted a bed.
That is the only king size bed. Now you can't find, it's really difficult to find anything other than doubles or singles, isn't it?
I've never seen anything bigger than double,
That's
ever.
the only king size bed I've seen.
Yeah, now tell everyone the price. Yeah.
There's 10% off.
So normally the beds, I think, are around
It's
about...
actually sold. I didn't see that.
Is it?
Yeah.
No, they're usually about €200, aren't they? The double beds, are they around that sort of price?
The queen size, aren't they? So they're
The-
smaller than an
yeah.
actual standard double.
And that one there is €900.
That's 10%.
Oh,
Well,
don't,
somebody obviously thought it was
don't
worth
forget the
it.
10%.
Yes.
Okay. This is my favourite room in this Bacont. Find some great finds in here, some real history actually. Never come across anything like this in any of the Baconts we've been in. I'm not quite sure why the water skis are in here, but yeah, this is great. Just even the old signs. So I turn my back, what, for 5 seconds? What else are you buying?
Well, I spotted this mirror up here,
Hang on then.
which is absolutely huge. But I
That
was
is
thinking,
huge.
turn it on its side and put it in my vanity room, which I might do next. And that could cover most of the wall in there. It's a good price,
Yeah.
but then we looked at it behind, and unfortunately the pattern's not symmetrical, so you can't actually turn it round, which is a real shame.
I think you still could.